A ko te mate uruta, kei te aere tonu te taumata o te Manu Atatu. Kei te waka aeretia taua kaupapa kei runga i te ipurangi hei webinar. Te aua nei, kua piki ake ngā tangata kua rea hititia ki te Manu Atatu. Nā te mate kōwhiori, kua pānunitia ngā wakaritinga mō tēnei ui nui.
Our physical summit was planned for Wednesday the 18th of August, which was the first day we went into level 4. So we had to wait at least a week or so to assess where that was going before we decided that the safest option was for us to continue with the delivery online. It's a new sort of territory for us to be going into because we haven't had to deliver this sort of kaupapa online before, so it's been a few learning curves along the way, but we managed to start our webinar series yesterday, our first one in the series of 4, so it's going to be happening over the next 4 weeks every Wednesday.
Kua ruarau ngā pāki, kua re ititia, a tuatu ngā pāki no Wanganui nei, kei te wakaratarata mai ngā kamupene no roe kē.
From our stats, we can see that there's not only Wanganui here, but right up till far, actually, so far. So yeah, it's interesting. Like the kaupapa is not just for Wanganui iwi. It's because the issues are the same kind of everywhere, all the challenges. But one of our key focus points is to really drill down and work out what's happening within Aotearoa here and how we can support. So yeah, we are getting some key findings, and that's one of our key drivers for this.
Iai ki te i ranga au ai tāna, ko ngā wānau te mea nui ki ngā pāki i Māori.
We asked, was it looking after and protecting the natural environment? Was it looking after the people already living on the whenua? Was it to grow collective assets and to be able to look after our mokopuna? Or was it to create places where culture and whānau can be engaged and grow? So that was the overwhelmingly strong sentiment, was that create places where culture and whānau can be engaged. So we had 57% come back and say that was what was the driver and what that's the most important focus is. So that was interesting.
E kaupapa au ia wiki.
Each webinar has a theme. Our first week's theme was connection in your role, so starting at the real sort of base level of where our whānau at now with their whenua, some of the challenges they're having, and then moving in towards, okay, what are those challenges and how can we support that and how can we connect you to the support that's available. So we've got, next week is Futures Dare to Dream, so that's moving into some iwi and innovators who have gone through the journey of procurement and working with government agencies to develop the whenua. So obviously the support that's available is through government agencies is changing with COVID.
Mo te roa ngātu o ngā kōrero, tiro ia te Manu Atatu i runga i tō rātou ārangi pukamata. Iriwere rerikura, te reo o te uru. Ko te reo